Today I am reviewing these solar outdoor lights. They're pretty cool. They have this cool torch slash flame pattern. And another thing I like is that they have solar panels on 1, 2, and 3 corners. So if you're putting these somewhere, they're getting sun throughout the day. It doesn't have to be, just one location. So they have these 3 solar panels. So they're getting sun different directions depending on the day. They have an on-off switch right here. Go ahead and turn it on, see if I can cover these. But yeah, we're gonna have to check them out at night, but it just has like this cool little flame look, and it does come with an extension pole that you put in here, and then one here so it can stick up, or you could put them just on a tabletop. I think they'd be pretty even cool. You could just put them just like this. I think that would be a fun idea out there, but these would be great as a pathway light. This is a plastic pole and plastic stake. They could possibly be even mounted on the side, but I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and then we're going to see what they look like at night. So here's how they look at night. Put them under a little seating area with our string lights. Gives a cool firehouse vibe. You can see all 4 of them right there. Let's take a closer look. I really like it. Looks super cool. The detail of it as you come close does give it a flame look more than I thought it would. You can see that how it moves up and down. So that is pretty cool. And they're lined up all along here. Gives it a nice campfire kind of vibe. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.